Hey guys, welcome back. In today's module, we're going to be discussing exactly how to do product research. Okay, I'm going to give you the 3 methods that I use literally every single day, and these help me find products before they blow up. That way I can get on them as soon as possible and start posting videos and making thousands of dollars. Okay, now I do want to preface this by saying, make sure that you watch the module before this. Okay, a lot of this won't make sense if you do not watch the module before this, which is how do you even figure out what is a winning product. Okay, that is more important than just this of using product research tools. Okay, make sure you have a great understanding of what is going to actually make a winning product. Now that you've watched that though, we can get right into how to actually find these winning products. Okay, so the first tool that I'm going to be talking about is Kalodata. Okay, this is probably my number one go-to, not probably, it is my number one go-to. I use it literally every single day. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I like to use it, what I like to do. This is a paid tool. They have a free version, but it's obviously not going to be as powerful. And I do have an affiliate link for it. If you guys are interested, you get 20% off. And it's just code Sebastian, and I'll leave that link in a file down below if you're interested. But we're just gonna get right into it. So with Kalodata, like they say, this is the best tool for TikTok Shop analytics. I mean, even businesses use this, not only affiliates, and they're not just saying they're the best tool, they truly are the best tool, and I'll show you exactly why. So you have all these different categories up here, and right here it's going to show you, so you can filter what are the top stores. You can even filter by stores, and as you guys can see, so right here on the left, let me see if I can move this. Yeah, right here on the left, you'll be able to see this for the past 30 days. You'll be able to see what are the top stores right now. So as you guys can see, Medicube, Pop Mart, Tarte. I'm surprised Goldie's all the way down here at number 7. They're slacking a little. They need to pick it up, but seriously, I mean, this tool is so powerful, guys. You can also sort by creators, who are the top creators right now. So the number 1 creator isn't even a creator, it's an actual store, which is insane. Then you got Daisy over here, Jeffree Star, he's always on like the top 10. He's killing it. Most of these people have their own companies as well, which is why they do so good. But what we really want to get to is these 2 categories right here, okay? Product and video and ads, okay? So product, this is going to show you all of the top products for the month. And you can even go as specific as going by like, what are the top products for the week? So if you go over here, you click last 7 days and then you submit down here, it's gonna filter all of these products. And so these are the top products this week. You've got mascara, you've got Yerba Magic, which is a weight loss powder, Dr. Malaxin. And actually I ordered a sample of this. I think this is gonna do really good. So if you're watching this, it is currently May 7th of 2020, geez, are we in 2025? Goodness, time flies. But yeah, this product I think is gonna do very good. And then we've got Medicube, Boom Boom. So these are the products that have been killing it for the past week. So the fact that you can sort by the past week, that is insane. It's gonna show you what is working right now. Okay, now like I said, make sure that you have watched the previous module, because like I discussed in that module, what is a winner for someone else may not be a winner for you. And that is why it's so important for you to figure out what is your unicorn. To give you guys a refresher, your unicorn, the unicorn method is what is your unique ability? What makes you unique? What makes you stand out? So of course, if you're a guy, you really don't have a use in promoting mascara, because the people that buy mascara are mostly gonna be females. And they're not really gonna trust you to know what you're even talking about, right? Same thing with Yerba Magic. If you're not in shape, and you're using like a weight loss type angle for your video, again, people aren't really gonna believe what you're saying, right? Same thing with the Dr. Malaxin. This is like an acne thing. It clears your skin. If you have, a face filled with acne and you're talking about this product, again, people aren't really gonna take you as seriously. Your videos aren't gonna convert as well. So it's very important that you watch that module and take the time to figure out what is your unicorn method, what are you naturally good at, and what products are naturally gonna do better for you. That way, this makes more sense, and you're gonna have a much smoother time when it comes to the content creation side of things, okay? Like I said, you can sort over here even by yesterday, guys. So these are the top products for yesterday. Again, we have another makeup product. You'll notice on Kalodata and the other tool that we're gonna be discussing, the daily virals, that a lot of the top products are makeup and female products. Okay, again, we've got the Dr. Malaxin, Yerba Magic, Boom Boom. This has been killing as well. I think this is also gonna be a great product to kind of start promoting. Although it is a little bit saturated, I would say. I don't like using that word too much because it just means the product is validated, but there are a lot of people promoting it, so you're just gonna have more competition. But yeah, guys, like I said, so right here, you're gonna be able to find so many winning products. And once you find your unique method, the unicorn method, what are you naturally good at? You're gonna be able to make better choices when it comes to picking out what you should order as a sample and what you can start to promote. Now, the other feature on Kalodata that I really want to talk about that's going to be super useful, let's go over here. We just clicked on this tab of videos and ads, and let's sort by the last 30 days, okay? So last 30 days, these are the videos that are performing best. Okay, so we've got a makeup video right here, and if you just hover over here on the left, it'll actually play the video for you, which is really cool. Yep. So this one, some of them won't play for some reason if the video has been taken down. Okay, Spanish speaking video. Music video. Those usually do very well. So yeah, guys, with this, you're gonna be able to literally go through and see what are the top videos for the past 30 days, take inspiration from that, see what the top creators are doing. I mean, literally every single day, guys. I mean, this is like what I mean as an affiliate. You have to treat this like it's an actual job. And so every single day I'm researching the top products, but also the top videos, right? Because I'm not the best when it comes to TikTok shop affiliate. So I want to constantly be learning. That way I can get better, right? I want to learn what angles are people using. You know, how does their lighting look like? What's their tonality like? What hooks are they using? I know this girl right here, she absolutely kills it. You can also see what visual text they're using and take inspiration. So there's a lot of great research that you can use with Kalodata. Now, another thing that I really want to show you guys that is extremely useful is if you have a specific product that you would like to promote. So right now I've been promoting this game stick very heavy. And so I'm gonna go ahead and search it on product, and it's gonna pop up with one of the most popular ones. So I think it's this one, last 30 days, 22K revenue. Now, one thing I will say, the numbers on here can sometimes be a bit skewed. They can either be a lot less or a lot more, so they'll overinflate numbers or sometimes they're not accurate, but this should give you a pretty good estimate, okay? But it's not gonna be 100% accurate because I know this is way higher. I mean, I alone have done way more revenue for this company in the past 30 days, but this is the exact one I'm promoting. So if you go right here and you click on the product, you get all of this data, right? You can see where it's shipping from, what category it's in, what's been the lowest price for it, what's the commission rate. By the way, you guys should, of course, ask for better commissions from the seller. That's an easy way to make way more money, right? You'll see the price for the unit. And then another really cool thing that you can see right here is all of the videos that are performing well for this product. So in the past 30 days, this is the one that did best. So it's a Spanish speaking video, and this is just gonna help you tremendously, right? Because you're gonna be able to see exactly what is working for the specific products that you're promoting, and you can take inspiration from that, okay? So you have all of these amazing videos, and now there's not gonna be any lives for this one since I guess there's not enough data for this product. But if we go over here, let's just click on a product in the top listings, because this is gonna have a lot more data. Yeah, so as you guys can see, 2.83 million in revenue in the past 30 days for yerba mate. Again, like I said, I'll tell you the category it's in, the price, commission rate. And so if we go right here, you'll be able to see the top creators, but also right here, guys, you can literally see what are the top performing videos. And like I said, again, this is gonna give you, like, let's say if you're promoting yerba mate and you kind of need help promoting it, you don't really know what angles to take, you can go through all of these videos, watch them, and learn what the top creators are doing. So this is gonna help you out so much. Another thing that I do wanna mention is when it comes to live streams, you're also gonna be able to see what are the top performing live streams. So it'll give you it won't give you the entire live, but it'll give you a little brief, as you guys can see. It'll show you a brief few seconds or few minutes of the live. That way you can kind of get an idea of, you know, how it was doing and what they did to make it work, right? Because this live obviously performed very well. Now, I'm not sure why it's showing a live for like a CarPlay thing. Yeah, this is the Yerba Magic. So yeah, if you guys are into live streaming, you could literally just take inspiration from these lives. Of course, this is a Spanish speaking creator, but you can see like what they're typing for their little banner right here. You can see how she talks. You know, as you can see, she's showing reviews. So that is social proof right there. So you can learn so much when it comes to live streaming as well with this tool. One other thing I do want to show you guys is if you see a creator that's very consistent, you can go and click on their profile, and this is also a great tool to research other creators, and you can see, you know, what their revenue is. Again, this is not the most accurate thing. I know Michaela, she does way more than this, way more. She does like literally 500K GMV minimum per month. So this is a little bit underestimated. Is this for the past 30 days? Yeah, it is. Wow. So that's very underestimated. But as you guys can see right here, she's killing it with yerba mate. So you could study from other creators, like what kind of videos a specific creator is making if you really kind of like them and you resonate with that creator. That way, again, you can take inspiration. Okay, guys?